Today, we're looking at the RFUNGUANGO protective case for AirPods Pro 2nd generation, a military-grade case that's all about security, protection, and convenience for your AirPods Pro. If you want top-notch protection, this hard case is built to guard against drops, scratches, and even fingerprints. It's also equipped with a unique security lock, so you don't have to worry about it accidentally opening and leaving your AirPods exposed. Plus, you can charge wirelessly without taking the case off, a feature that makes it as convenient as it is tough. One of the standout features of this case is the multifunctional cleaning kit. It includes a silicone nib for reaching those tight spots, a flocked sponge for dust, and a high-density brush for the sound hole. This kit makes cleaning quick and efficient, which has been highly praised by users who find it super handy for keeping their AirPods Pro looking and working like new. For anyone tired of dust or grime buildup, this kit is a game changer. A minor drawback could be that the case is only compatible with the AirPods Pro 2nd generation, so if you're using another model, this might not be the case for you. But for those with AirPods Pro 2, it's great value for money, especially considering the durable TPU material and all-around protection. User reviews on Amazon highlight its sturdy design and love the security lock, saying it's easy to open but secure enough to give peace of mind. If this sounds like the ideal case for you, click the link in the description to see more details and user testimonials. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment if you enjoyed this review. And if you're ready for maximum protection with a cleaning kit that goes above and beyond, don't forget to check out the link below for an exclusive guarantee and fast delivery.